guys, this is my tutorial for a free to sparkle Patriotic themed glitter tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block and white spray paint. Now we're ready to add our glitter. If you do not have the same glitters I'm using, totally fine, use whatever colors that match that you have on hand. I'm using the epoxy method to add my glitter, but feel free to use whatever method you use to add your glitter. When you're done glittering, be sure to save the overcast glitter. We'll be using this custom mix a couple more times on our tumbler. Let this glitter layer cure, then seal with a coat of epoxy. Because I'm extra, I mixed some of our custom mix into the first coat to add just a little bit of depth. But you don't have to, I'm just being me, fam. Now that my tumbler is nice and smooth, I can add my stencils. You have your stencils where you want them, don't forget to put something on top of your stencils so that you can find them under the glitter later. I'm using a low temp glue gun, but use whatever you want, just don't forget to do something so you can find your stencils. Now, we're ready to add our spray paint. Warm weather is back, so we are back in my garage. I wanted to do a vertical ombre for my design, but you can also do a vertical one. I'm sorry, not vertical, horizontal. A horizontal ombre, whichever is easiest. Let your paint layer completely dry, then we'll be ready to add our glitter. If you've been with me for a while, you know my extra ways. I mean, can you just do one blue glitter and one red glitter for your design? Abso-stinkin-lutely, but come on now. Of course I'll be adding a lighter color in the middle, followed by a darker color on the edges to give some depth, because adding depth is something I love to do on my tumblers. And because I use fast set, I'll immediately be pulling my stencils right after I'm finished glittering. If you use regular epoxy, wait about 30 to 40 minutes to allow your epoxy to set just a little bit before pulling your stencils up. Let this glitter layer cure, then seal really well with a clear sealer to keep that glitter in place, and then we'll be ready to seal with a coat of epoxy. With this coat, I'll also be using the custom mix we made with the white and silver glitter earlier to add some extra sparkle. As usual, you do not have to, but I literally have a need to have maximum sparkle on my tumblers. So if I have a chance to add some extra sparkle, I'm gonna add some extra sparkle. Pray for me, y'all. Seal this layer with another coat of epoxy to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then we'll be ready to add our decal and star outlines. Seal your vinyl till your tumbler is nice and smooth, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your free to sparkle patriotic themed glitter tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!